student, how are you today? Thank you for taking the time to watching my learning video. First of all, permission to introduce myself. My name is Adihoro Anwar and type 233120003. Department of Information Technology, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Science. Here I will discuss the evolution of computer. How computer have development from ancient times to the present. And after watching this video, I hope all of you can understand the history of computer development and can difference generation of computer, basic and the characteristic. Before you know the history of computer, you must first know how this computer was created. Initially, the computer was discovered starting from the discovery of the calculating machine, which was discovered by a scientist named Blaise Pascal. He was born in 1623 and died in 1662. There was a French scientist who invented the calculating machine for the first time. This first calculating machine was only able to calculating addition and subtraction. Then the machine that had been cracked was developed by Baron Georg Wilhelm von Leibniz, a German mathematician who invented a calculator of calculating machine that could perform four functions, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Furthermore, the calculating machine was developed by Carlos Babbage. He was the person who discovered the first theory of making computers. In 1823, Carlos Babbage designed a difference engine that was capable of calculating mathematical tables. And in 1833, he designed an analytical engine which is considered the initial concept of a modern computer. And then the machine created by Carlos Babbage, namely analytical engine, had a first programmer, namely a woman named Ada August Lovelace. She was an English mathematician who was the first programming. The first programming language is a programming language exists. Okay, next we will enter the first generation of computer generation. In this first generation, the main thing that you can see or pay attention to is that this computer uses vacuum types, and this computer uses machine language, and apart from that, this computer uses magnetic core storage technology and is very large in size and has a very high temperature. The first computer created was ENIAC, which stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. This computer was created by Dr. J. Presper Eckert and Dr. John B. Moseley. They created this at the University of Pennsylvania with the aim of making it tool of war. This computer was created starting in 1943 and finished in 1946, at which time the World War had finished. So this computer cannot be used. The main computer of ENIAC consists of several types. The first is the accumulator, of imitator, for power, master, programmer, multiplier, divider, gate for logic, and there is a buffer for logic, or there is cycling unit, printer, and function table. And then on to the second generation. The second generation of computer ranged from the mid-1950 to the early 1960. At this time, there was a transition from vacuum types to computers as the main computer transistor as smaller, more reliable, and require less electrical power than vacuum tubes. This results in computers that are smaller, more efficient, and more reliable. In addition, the use of transistors paved the way for the development of integrated circuit or IC integration technology, which became a key feature of subsequent. The third generation of computer began in the early 1960s and lasted until the mid-1970s. The main characteristic of this generation the use of integrated circuits or ICs, which allow the integration of several transistors into one silicon chip. The makes computer smaller, more efficient, and more reliable. Third generation computer also experience increased speed and capacity, as well as better use of semi-coordinator memory than previous generation. In this period, computers began to be widely used in business and government, and miniature computer also began to appear. An example of the third generation is the IBM System 360, a computer system designed to provide a series of models with a certain level of compatibility. The fourth generation of computers began in the mid-1970s to mid-1980s. The main characteristic of this generation was the emergence of the microprocessor, which integrate the entire CPU into a single chip. This allowed the production of smaller, cheaper, and more energy efficient computers. During the fourth generation, personal computer or PCs become more common and comfortable for individuals. Operating systems such as MS-DOS emerged, allowing for friendlier user interactions. In addition, storage capacity is increasing with the use of floppy disks and hard disks. The development of computer networks and the emergence GUI graphical user interface based computers are also important aspects of this generation. An example of the fourth generation is computers such as the IBM PC, Apple II, and computers that use the Intel XT86 and XT88 microprocessor.